Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with Revolut. First, open your Revolut application and locate the Cards section. Choose the specific card you wish to link to Apple Pay. Tap the Add to Apple Wallet button and follow the simple on-screen instructions to confirm your card details. This process typically takes less than 1 minute, ensuring your Revolut card is quickly and securely added to your Apple Wallet for immediate use. Once your Revolut card is set up, making payments is straightforward. At a contactless terminal, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Your default Revolut card will appear. Authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. Hold your device near the reader until you see a confirmation, usually within a few seconds, completing your secure transaction. Combining Revolut with Apple Pay offers numerous advantages. You benefit from enhanced security features, as each transaction uses a unique, encrypted token, protecting your actual card details. This integration also allows you to seamlessly use your Revolut multi-currency accounts. Enjoy the convenience of making swift payments with just your device, eliminating the need to carry physical cards and easily track your spending. For the best experience, remember a few key tips. Always ensure your Revolut card is active and has enough funds for your purchases. Setting a default card in your Apple Wallet can speed up your transactions by several seconds. Regularly update your device's software to maintain optimal performance and security. If you encounter any specific card-related issues, Revolut's support team is ready to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.